Hey, what's up? Me again. So today we've got a couple of, a double unboxing video for you today. I had a double delivery from the Bird Struggle, which is always nice to receive through the post. I've got the new scent been delivered with some scent-free beard wash and conditioner, along with the scrubbers, which I have since used, and they are very good. Very good indeed, I do quite like them, and a few other bits and bobs. So here's my latest instalment of unboxing of the Beard Struggle products. I do hope you enjoy. And a big thank you to everyone that is purchasing using my referral code and discount code Pickles20. It is all noted. I've had 22 sales so far, which is really good. I'm getting closer and closer to the next level and ranking up again, which is really good considering I only ranked up to Blood Viking a couple of months ago, and I'm already well on the way to the next link. So thanks very much, and keep buying. I hope you enjoy these unboxings. Cheers, guys.